Hello, Laurelhurst families. This is Chad Navarrete speaking with you. I'm going to show you something new the 7th and 8th grade teachers have set up here at Laurelhurst. Hopefully you'll find this a useful resource for figuring out what is due and when it's due. So the first thing you'll need to do here is go ahead and open a web browser. And on that web browser, you'll go ahead and type in mrneighborhouse.com, which I'm sure is just your home page. You'll go to that third tab over, which is calendars. In that calendars tab, you'll see the science calendar. Students, this should look familiar. Families that attended back to school night, we spent some time going through this. If you keep scrolling down beneath this, you can see what's called a 7-8 master calendar for all subjects. And you can consider this one-stop shopping for your Laurelhurst homework needs. It has all the information for all of the classes in 7th and 8th grade all in this one calendar. A couple of things I want to point out. Number one, classes are grouped by color. You can see blue here is for math, purple for Spanish, etc. You can see some assignments are multiple days. Like again, Miss Robley has the entire week blocked out here. In Spanish, there's a couple 2 days and then some 1-day activities. If something looks like it's cut off, for example, it's hard to see here what this is. If I click on this, it'll expand that, and it says Spanish 1 Study Diario 14 through 16 for test. Again, there's some more details. Senior Reader Rick wants you to study that for 5 hours. If we look at another one, let's look here at parts of speech. In Mr. Boyd's class, if I click on, actually, let me open a different one. If I click on this one, you can see the description Mr. Boyd put here has a lot of great information about what it is that assignment entails. And if you go to the bottom, you can see there's a link to his Google Classroom. So students can click on that link and just jump right into that assignment and start working. If we go to Activity 35 on Monday in science class, and I click on that, again, I'm going to need to click on more details. And after I've done that, I can see that Mrs. Redmond Davenport included an attachment. If I open that attachment, it pulls up the PowerPoint that was used during class. This is a powerful tool if students are either absent or just need some time to go back and look at what it was that we talked about during class. So don't forget, as you're using this calendar, go back through, click on more details, see if the teachers have embedded more information that you might find useful. So that's how the calendar works. Pretty straightforward there. The only other thing I wanted to point out for you, if you go back to this home tab on my webpage, on the bottom there's a poll. I would appreciate getting a little feedback so you can let the 7th and 8th grade teachers know if this is a useful resource for you or not. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.